are you? I hope all of you are enjoying your life. Dear friend, my name is Amita, and in this video, I'm going to brief about the top 10 digital online course platforms available across the world where you can upload your course and can be available for the learners. Before going into detail of these platforms, I just want to tell the importance of this topic. Dear friends, recently Forbes has published one report, and as per that report, the e-learning market is going to climb up to $325 billion market by the end of 2025. At the same time, the e-learning market for the mobile also is also going to increase up to $38 billion market by the end of this year. Yeah, my dear friends, you have listened correctly that by the end of 2020, the e-learning market is going to boost in the field of mobile also. So these data itself speaks that in the coming future, there will be a huge demand for the digital learners. So these data are the opportunities for the individuals, those who are into the business of teaching learning process. These data are the opportunities for those universities and schools, those who are ready to come out from their conventional teaching learning process and wants to enter into the digital era. So without wasting the time, let's directly move to the topic, that is the top 10 best online course platforms available. I'm sharing my screen, my dear friends, where I will tell you the options available for the digital course online platform. So these are the top 10 options available. The first option available is that is Academy of Mind. If I talk about Academy of Mind, this particular platform is basically to create, sell and market your online courses using white label platform. Now, what is white label platform? White label platform is a kind of software by which you can automate your marketing and sales process. As far as its price is concerned, it is having two plans. One is essential plan, which is available in $499 per month. And another plan is a professional plan, which is designed for the organization who are interested to sell in bulk, and it is available in $899. When it comes to feature, it is having features that you can have in self-paced courses, marketing pages, live conferencing training, group onboarding, and customized branding. It is having flexible e-commerce reporting and analytics, integration with a third-party system. Now, what do you understand by third-party system? Like, although the Academy of Mind is having a feature of marketing, but suppose if you don't want to take the marketing feature of Academy of Mind, as you are already having some marketing system, so that marketing system can also integrate with the Academy of Mind, and that this is what called integration with a third-party system. When it comes to for what kind of customer this particular platform is good, so it is good for business focused on professional training and certification, and it is also good for those who wants to sell a license in a bulk. If you want more detail, kindly refer www.academyofmind.com. Now the next platform available is CourseCat. It is a WordPress integration that offers other creators a way to build a well-designed website, grow an email list, create an online courses. It's available in $59 per month with no transaction fees. And when it comes to feature, you can combine WordPress theme element with a custom plugin. Now, what do you understand by custom plugin? Plugin is a kind of software. If you install on your program, it will enhance the capability of that program. And it is having another feature that you can reconfigure the dashboard of your WordPress site to allow, create and sell online courses. It is ideal for such kind of customers, those who are brand conscious and they want to sell their courses through their WordPress website only. It is also useful for those customers, those who want to sacrifice their ease at the cost of full control of the nuts and bolts. If you want more detail, kindly refer www.coursecats.com. Now, the third one is Teachable. It is good if you want to create and sell online courses. When it comes to prices available, it is available in 3 plans. First plan is a basic plan, which is available in $29 with a 5% transaction fees. 5% transaction fees means, like, suppose if your one course sell, then the total cost of that course 5% will be given to Teachable. They will deduct 5% of that fees. So that is called as a transaction fees. So second plan is available at $79. That will be called as a professional plan. It is called graded quizzes. It is having a feature of graded quizzes, unbranded website, and course compliances, completion, and certificate also. The third plan, that is the business plan, available in $399 with the no transaction fees, and it can have a 100 number of admins. Apart from that, it is having so many features. It is having a feature of website customization, promotion, sales page, and affiliate programs. It is having quizzes, course compliance, completion certificate also. It is having an integration facility with the Zapier and other kind of platforms, survey platforms. Zapier is basically, it's an integration software. Suppose if you want to integrate between two apps, then the Zapier will play a very important role. And there are a lot of survey platforms are also available. And at last, it is having a feature of student list segmentation, insights, and reporting. This is suitable if you are already having your marketing thing and other tech support, and if you are looking the solution only for the create and sell online courses, then Teachable can be in best solution. If you want a more detail, kindly refer www.teachable.com. Now the next platform is Thinkific. This particular platform, through this platform, you can create, market, and sell online courses and other digital products. Its price is $49. It's a basic plan, and its advanced plans can go up to $499 per month. When it comes to feature, it can have a feature of online courses recommendation, which can consist of video, quizzes, survey, discussion, and downloads. It is having a feature of integration with the Typeform, Google Doc, and other things. Typeform is basically, it's a kind of survey form, online survey form. It is ideal for if you want all in inclusive tools for create, market, and sell online courses and other digital products. If you want more detail, kindly refer www.thinkific.com. Now the next platform is Kajabi. Kajabi basically to create, market, and sell online courses and other digital products. When it comes to price, it is available in two costs. One is $119. In this cost, you can have you can sell 3 products, and you can have your one website, and you can send 1,000. You can have 1,000 active members at a time. When it comes to $319, you can sell hundreds of products. You can have 100 of products, and you can have 3 websites, and you can have at a time 20,000 active members. When it comes to features, it is having wonderful features that you can publish your blog, landing pages, and website builder. You can have an automation campaign, tracking and analytics. You can Stripe and PayPal payment integration. It is having integration with PayPal and Stripe. PayPal and Stripe, they are the payment gateways, and that is must if you want to, suppose if your course, if you are selling your course to some foreigners, then PayPal and Stripe account is required for the transaction of money. Then marketing and selling feature will let you to create sales and funnel. Ideal for to create, market, and sell the online product. And it is also ideal for to create sales funnel for wide range of digital products. If you want more detail, kindly refer www.kajabi.com. Now the next platform available is LearnWorld. LearnWorld is basically to create and market, sell online courses. It is available in $24 with $5 per course sell and 1 admin. And the next plan available, that is for $249 with no transaction fees and 20 admin at a time. Features, if I talk about its feature, a specialized course video with automatically extracted transcript. It's a wonderful feature. Post-production video editing tool and video hosting. Variety of test and quiz formats, question banks, and community feature. Community feature is a very good feature. Like suppose if you are selling particular course and in that course 10,000 students have enrolled, then all those students can be in part of your community, and this will enhance the learning amongst the students, amongst the learners. Now it is ideal for online course with discussion forum, those who are looking for discussion forum and network hub features, and it is ideal for online testing, certificates, social learning and all those things. If you want more detail, kindly prefer Learnworld, www.learnworld.com. Now the next is GP Courses. GP Courses is a kind of platform which is for both teaching and selling online courses. It is available in two plans, $99. In $99, you can have in one admin, 100 GB file storage and 10,000 monthly emails. And the another plan is available in $199, where you can have in 10 admin, 2 GB file storage and 50,000 monthly emails. When it comes to feature, include drag and drop course builder, very easy feature, and custom course landing and sales pages, automated email integration with most of the email providers. Lot of email providers are there, and this particular software is having integration feature with that. It is ideal for if you don't plan for store or host a lot of courses on your platform, and if you are only interested in online courses and don't want to extend for other info products, then it can be a good platform for you. If you want more detail, kindly refer www.gpcourses.com. Now the next platform is Rujuku. Build an interactive online course and engage student community. There are two plans. One is $74.75. It's a bootstrapper plan. Unlimited courses, students for one instructor, and $125 will be a university plan where you can have multiple instructor, unlimited courses and unlimited student. When it comes to features, student dashboard provided to have social profile with all features, subscription, customized coupon, and student enrollment management. Course-wide QA, hosting, stream audio video, student progress markers, hosted teleconferencing, video broadcast, email notification feature is also there. It is ideal for instructor, include live element. Those who are looking for the live feature, it is good for them. And self-directed online courses with an interactive student dashboard. Those who are looking for such kind of feature, Rujuku can be in best solution for them. Standalone course building tool. It's a standalone course building tool. Like if you are not looking for the marketing thing, then Rujuku can be in best solution. If you want more detail, kindly refer www.rujuku.com. Now the second last platform is BizIQ. It is designed for online school. It integrates with your site by using Moodle or Joomla or WordPress. When it comes to price, only $25 with 50 participants, counting both teachers and students, and 120-minute recording lectures you can upload. Then when it comes to Ideal, it is looking for those who are looking for live virtual classrooms and those only looking for LMS and already having marketing and selling solution. But like if you are already having marketing and selling solution, then it can provide a best solution. And if you want to have a more detail, kindly refer it www.visit.com. Now the last option available is Podia. Podia is basically to build, market and sell online courses and digital products. It is available in two plan. One is Mover and another is Shaker plan. Mover plan is available in $39, having all the features, and $79 is a Shaker plan. Both are not having any transaction fees, but Shaker plan is having additional feature of third-party integration, affiliated marketing, and selling memberships. Selling membership is basically means like after sell, like suppose you have sell your product and that particular learner is interested for your future courses also. So under that condition, you can sell it the membership of your other courses also. Now, when it comes to feature online course builder, including drip content, video hosting and payment plan, pre-selling, pre-launching courses, quizzes, email marketing, webinars, no limit on number of students, number of stories and courses. And when it comes to for whom it is ideal ideal for those who are looking for all-in-one platform for creating, marketing and selling the courses. Good for the solopreneur because it's a complete solution. For more detail, kindly refer www.podia.com. I hope I have given a sufficient insight into all these 10 platforms. Now, at last, just to summarize these 10 platforms, use Academy of Mind if you want a platform designed for professional training and certification, and its price ranges from $499 to $899. Quite high cost. Use CourseCat if you want to robust WordPress site that accommodate well-designed online courses. Prices ranges from $59 to $497. CourseCat is the best solution when you are when you don't want to compromise with your brand. Like if you want to host your courses on your WordPress website only, then CourseCat can be a best solution. Use Kajabi if you are looking to stream online business and build, market, and sell online courses. Prices ranges between $119 to $319. Use Learnword to build and sell interactive video-based online courses. Prices range from $34 to $249 per month. Use Podia if you want to use all-in-one program for creating, marketing, and sell online courses. Use Rujuki if you are looking for online courses solution that includes a live virtual. Like if you want a live feature, then go for an Rujuku. It ranges from $74.75 to $125. Use Teachable for a standalone online courses builder that includes website customization, sales pages, ranges from $29 to $79. Use Thinkific if you want to have an all-in-one platform for building, marketing, and selling online courses. Cost around $49 to $499. You use WizIQ for a standalone virtual classroom for a group of students. Pricing ranges from $25. Use GP Courses if you are looking to teach and sell online courses across a spectrum of package and pricing plan. Pricing ranges from $99 to $199. I hope I have given a sufficient insight on all these 10 top digital course platforms available. You can choose as per your requirement, as per your choice. Now I'm stop sharing my video, my screen. I hope whatever information I have shared in this video will be useful for you, especially for them, those who are into the business of teaching learning process and planning to launch their online courses. If you like this video, kindly press the like button and share it to other colleagues, those who are interested to learn such kind of things. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.